Ocampo National High School, CTP, MAPI, TRRM Unit. Headed by De La Cruza. Second Platoon Boys, Chat Noel Villa. Bravo Company Commander, Erika Lynn Bernales. CTP Bravo Company EXO, Siren Villena. First Platoon Girls, May Serato. Second Platoon Girl, Angel Osilio. MAPI Company Commander, Joshua Montemor. MAPI Company EXO, Benjo Camila. First Platoon Leader, MAPE, Erwin Competente. Second Platoon Leader, MAPE, Ana Lia Casino. Principal, Dr.